Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to enable auto rotate on your iPhone. So how you can turn it on. Now if in case you are playing any of the video inside like YouTube or the gallery and you are not able to like auto rotate your iPhone screen, so how you can fix that, I'll show you the complete process. First of all, just from the upper right corner, just scroll down, and once you scroll down, so you will see basically all these settings which are listed here along with the Wi-Fi, airplane, player, and the locked orientation, the brightness, audio, and like there will be multiple settings. So along with the brightness on the left side, you can see this is the feature which we call the orientation, which is portrait orientation lock. Once you click on turn it off, it will be basically turned off. After that, you will be able to rotate your screen on the iPhone once it is turned on. So this basically does, it basically locks the orientation, because some people likes this feature that must be turned on, so they just like it. But if you for some reason want to turn it off, so just click on turn off. Once you click it, as you can see, portrait orientation lock is off right now. So after that, once you do or play anything on your iPhone, your auto like rotation is basically turned on. So that's a simple and easy process of how you can do that.